Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to download the Google Chrome on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to download the Google Chrome on your computer will have an operating system, and that operating system will have a default or an inbuilt browser available. For example, Windows will have the Microsoft Edge inbuilt when you install it on your computer. In case of Mac, there will be a Safari. In case of Linux, something will be there. And with that being said, in order to now download the Google Chrome on your computer, first open that inbuilt browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge, and you can go with any browser available on your operating systems and simply search for Google Chrome like this and hit on enter. And over here guys, you can see Google Chrome. Download the fast secure browser from Google. Click over there, and over here guys, there is the download Chrome button available for us. Simply click on the download Chrome button like this, and download will begin momentarily. Or if it didn't start, simply again click on the download Chrome manually, and it will start to download the Google Chrome. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see there are the downloads, and this is the Chrome setup, and you can directly open the file from over here and begin to set up the Google Chrome on your computer, or just click on this folder which says the showing folder, and you will be able to find your Google Chrome setups over here. And you can see guys, there are Google Chrome setups available for us, and if you double click on it, the installation process of the Google Chrome will begin on your computer. But I'll not be doing that since Google Chrome is already available on my computer, and I'm just showing you how to download it. And with that being said guys, this is how you download your Google Chrome on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.